The biggest myth in personal finance is that you need to be rich to start investing. The truth is, you can start building wealth today with just $100. Investing is simply putting your money to work so it grows over time. If you just save cash, inflation will slowly destroy its value. But when you invest, your money buys assets that increase in value and pay you dividends. So, how do you actually start with $100? First, open a brokerage account with a platform that offers fractional shares. Fractional shares allow you to buy a tiny slice of a big company, like Apple or Amazon. You don't have to buy a whole share if it costs too much. For beginners, the best approach is to buy a broad market ETF. An ETF is a basket of hundreds of different stocks, giving you instant diversification. This means if one company fails, your entire portfolio doesn't crash. The secret to wealth isn't timing the market, it's time in the market. Set up an automatic transfer of $100 every month and let it grow. Your future self will thank you for starting today.